That's nasty,
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I just want to share with you guys this cute purse that I got from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I was shocked too, and I wasn't looking for this specific purse. I was just looking for this color purse and happened to came up on this purse. And before I get into this video, check my previous video before this one, which I filmed like 5 minutes ago 5-10 minutes ago. My Coach purse and sandals, go check those out. Very cute. I've been doing a bunch of Coach purses back to back to back. Let me try something different. So I came across this on Amazon. Guys, like I said, I wasn't looking for like a specific purse. I was like, let me try something different from Coach, because I already got the Coach purse that's gonna go with me on my birthday trip. By the way, it's July 8th and it's 3:30 a.m. in the morning. My birthday is July 17th. We'll be going on vacation, so that vlog will be coming out first before this, that out the country vacation. So check that out. I'm just filming these before I, you know, wear them. So I'm doing the unboxing on camera. So anyways, this is the dust bag that it came inside of. This drawstring dust bag. Oh, I have to show. Ooh, perfect. So this is the purse. And listen guys, I have to show you the shoes that I'll be wearing with this purse. The outfit, you have to stay tuned for that. I'm pretty sure I'll be putting the outfit somewhere in this video, because by the time this video comes out, I will wear them and already like take pictures in them. So this is the purse. And it's the Love Moschino. Oh my gosh, this pink is everything. And it's well packaged, like perfectly packaged. I'm loving these purse with the gold chain handles. It's giving. This is giving. Not gonna lie, I like this. I love this for me. So let me try not to pop the thing, the chain, while removing this bag. So yeah, this is what it's given. Oh, this is stuffing. This is like stuffings inside. Let me show. Oh, let me show you inside, guys. All right, so this purse, it has the card holders, which I like. You could put your IDs and cards. It has a little slot right here, another little slot here, another slot here. Wait, what's in here? I always look for money, you know. Now, as I say, I wonder if somebody left some money in here. Oh, it's just like details about the purse. So yeah, this is what it's given. The perfect purse. Let me give you an up close. The snatched is snatching. So like I said, this is Amazon. This is from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. This is the color fuchsia. It's a pink. You guys know pink is my favorite color, and yeah, it's given. I paid like what, 80? I think it was $80. I paid $80 for this purse. With the gold chain is given. You guys know when I'm wearing my accessories, it's mostly gold, and I love that the words, the letters are in gold. It's so pretty. This is the up close perfecto. I also want to show you guys the shoes that I'll be wearing. I mean, this shoes is not a part of this video, but I just wanted to like show you guys where the inspiration is coming from. I just want to show you where the inspiration is coming from, like what it's giving. So this is the Vans old school, and it's the same fuchsia color. It's, oh, this one is called Fiji Flower, but it's the same fuchsia, literally the same color. I'm gonna put them up close to show you. It might not show on camera, but they are literally the same color, literally. But the vision that I have for these, hopefully the vision come through. If it does, you will see a picture right here. So yeah, I just want to come on, show you guys a quick video of my just sneak peeks of my birthday looks. Like I said, you will see everything in the vlog. The vlog will come out before this video for sure. So guys, just like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below your thoughts on this purse. What would you wear with these two? Just let me know.
Aren't you scared?
Of what?
I'm not naked.
Me just change my shirt. Me have on black shirt.
Yeah, but what if the camera kind of slipped on?
I'll cut it out and edit it.
Sexy though.
Why are you coming here?
I'm so happy to not be at work. We're just couldn't wait. They're just so...
Damn, stop that. Anyways, I'm almost finished with my video. Let me close up my video. So, be quiet. Like I said, this is the vision, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Comment your thoughts. I'm just trying to make these videos as quick as possible because I'm just showing you guys. Like I said, it's just a sneak peek, and I'm just...
Oh.
It's okay.
You can't hear that?
You can hear it, trust me. When I edit, I got ears off, but it's fine.
Alright, I'm sorry. You gotta stay at work.
Why would you say that? I'm finished with the video. You came home right in time. I'm almost finished. Do your thing, 21. Do your... Why do I have energy 4 o'clock in the morning? Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted. Like I was saying, before I was interrupted. Now I forgot what I was saying. Guys, I'm just trying to make this video as quick as possible, as short as possible. I actually wanted to make like shorts, YouTube shorts, but let me just come on here and give you guys details. But anyways, this is it. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Krissy. I'm gonna leave the name here so you could see when I put these looks together. Yes. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me through these long breaks that I've been taking on YouTube. I'm coming back and better for this summer. I am coming hard. I'm coming out with the videos. I'm coming back with the videos. So just bear with me, guys. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that like button. Remember to subscribe. Remember to comment down below what would you wear these with, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this YouTube channel. Anyways, thank you so much for your support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.